If you're over 40 and you're still doing random exercises hoping to build muscle, you're making this harder than it needs to be. You don't need 15 exercises. You need 5 movements that train the muscles that matter most, and you need to perform them correctly and consistently. Because after 40, the goal isn't just to look bigger, it's to stay strong, powerful, stable, and capable for decades. And research continues to show that resistance training can improve muscle size and strength even as we get older. Before we get into the 5 exercises, tell me in the comments, what is your age? And which country are you watching from? I want to see how many men from around the world are working on their strength. The first exercise is the Dumbbell Shoulder Press. This movement trains your shoulders, but that's not the only reason it's here. Pressing overhead also requires your upper body and core to stabilize the weight while your shoulders produce force. And here's something many men get wrong. Heavier isn't automatically better. If you have to lean backwards, swing the dumbbells, or lose control at the bottom, the weight is probably too heavy. Start with a weight you can control for about 6 to 10 clean repetitions. Keep your ribs down, brace your core, and press the dumbbells upward without turning the movement into a full body struggle. And don't rush the lowering phase. Control the dumbbells on the way down. The second exercise is the Lat Pulldown. If you want a stronger looking back, stronger pulling muscles, and better upper body development, this movement deserves a place in your routine. But here's the part people miss. Don't think about simply pulling the bar toward your chest. Think about driving your elbows downward. That small change can help you focus on the muscles responsible for pulling your upper arm toward your body. Use a controlled movement. Don't swing your torso backward to move more weight. Your goal isn't to impress the machine. Your goal is to challenge your muscles. And here's your next reason to keep watching. The third exercise changes the equation because now we're adding serious pressing strength. The Incline Dumbbell Press. This exercise targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps while allowing each arm to work independently. That's important because one side can't simply hide behind the other. Set the bench at a moderate incline rather than turning it into a shoulder press. Lower the dumbbells under control, keep your feet firmly planted, and press upward while maintaining a stable position. You don't need to take every set to absolute failure. The 2026 ACSM Resistance Training Guidance emphasizes that complicated techniques and constant failure training aren't necessary for most healthy adults. Consistency and appropriate training volume matter much more. Now we're getting to the exercise that trains your entire body differently. The deadlift. The deadlift isn't just a back exercise. Done properly, it's a coordinated movement involving the hips, glutes, hamstrings, back, and grip. But this is also the exercise where technique matters the most. Keep the weight close to your body. Brace your midsection, keep your spine controlled, and drive through your feet while extending your hips. Don't chase maximum weight just because someone else is lifting heavier. For men over 40, the smartest progression is often boring. Start with a manageable weight, master the technique, and gradually add resistance. And if you have a history of back problems or you're new to deadlifting, getting instruction from a qualified professional is a much better idea than copying someone online. Now comes the exercise most people underestimate, the Bulgarian Split Squat. One leg at a time. This movement challenges your quads, glutes, hamstrings, balance, and stability. And because you're working each side independently, you can't rely as easily on your stronger leg to do all the work. Start with body weight if necessary. Place your rear foot on a bench, find a comfortable stance, lower yourself under control, and drive through the front foot. You don't need enormous weights. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes people make is adding load before they can perform the movement with balance and control. And here's the bigger picture. These 5 exercises cover major movement patterns: vertical pressing, vertical pulling, horizontal pressing, hip-dominant lifting, and single leg training. That's why you don't need to turn every workout into a 2-hour marathon. The 2026 ACSM Position Stand recommends training all major muscle groups at least twice per week, while emphasizing that the best program is the one you can consistently follow. For muscle growth, it also points toward roughly 10 weekly sets per muscle group as a useful target, although individual needs vary. So here's a simple weekly routine. Monday, shoulder press, lat pull-down, incline dumbbell press, deadlift, and Bulgarian split squat. Do roughly 2 to 3 working sets per exercise. For most movements, stay around 6 to 12 controlled repetitions, adjusting the load to your experience and exercise. Rest long enough that your next set is still strong. Wednesday, rest or light walking and mobility. Friday, repeat the same 5 exercises, but don't automatically try to destroy yourself. Focus on improving your technique, repetitions, or weight compared with previous sessions. And here's the rule that will determine whether this routine actually works. Progressive overload. If you can perform all your target repetitions with excellent technique and still have plenty left in the tank, it's eventually time to increase the challenge slightly. That might mean adding a small amount of weight, performing another repetition, or improving your control. Don't change exercises every week just because you're bored. Your muscles don't need constant novelty, they need a reason to adapt. And this becomes especially important as you get older because resistance training remains one of the most reliable ways to challenge muscle and strength. Recent research in older adults has found meaningful improvements in muscle size from resistance training, including in the lower body. But remember, exercise is only half of the equation. If you're trying to build muscle, you also need enough food, adequate protein, sleep, and recovery. Research in older adults suggests that combining adequate protein intake with resistance training can support improvements in muscle-related outcomes, although results vary between studies and individuals. So don't look for the next secret exercise. Master these 5. Get stronger gradually, recover properly, and stay consistent for months, not days. Because after 40, building muscle isn't about proving how much you can lift today. It's about building a body that can still lift, carry, climb, squat, and move with confidence years from now. 5 exercises, 2 workouts per week, progressive resistance, and consistency. That's a much better foundation than constantly jumping from one random workout to another.